America does not create second-class children. The Supreme Court announced it will hear a case that could rewrite one of the most important sentences in the Constitution. The 14th Amendment's guarantee to birthright citizenship. To understand what this means, we have to go back to why that amendment exists in the first place. If you guys know why the 14th Amendment is in place, then you understand how powerful that amendment is, right? If you guys do not understand, I'm going to tell you because it is one of the most important amendments that have been put into place. After the Civil War, Congress passed the 14th Amendment to ensure that formerly enslaved people and their children would be recognized as equal citizens under the law. The framers wanted to make that citizenship simple, automatic, and beyond reach of any president. The language they chose was direct, and I quote, "All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdictions, therefore, are citizens of the United States." Done. For more than a century, that guarantee has stood unchanged. It's been interpreted to mean exactly what it says. It's if you are born here, you are a citizen here. In 1898, the Supreme Court made that clear in a landmark case called United States versus Wong Kim Ark. The court ruled that the son of Chinese immigrants, people who could not even become citizens themselves at that time, was still an American because he was born on American soil. That case is still the law today, and it has been cited again and again by courts, scholars, Republicans, Democrats. No president has ever been able to change that rule until possibly now, when the Supreme Court has agreed to weigh in on Trump's executive order that seeks to end birthright citizenship for certain children born in the United States. And I don't have the facts on that, so we'll see what happens in the coming months. I mean, this case is not just about immigration. It's about whether a president can undo a constitutional guarantee without a new amendment or, an act of Congress. It's about whether the 14th Amendment still means what it has meant for 155 years. And we have to be clear about why this matters, especially right now. All right. Trump has publicly described this policy as one of the tools he wants to use to remove migrants from the country. Birthright citizenship is not a tool. Ending birthright citizenship is part of a broader strategy to change who is recognized as a citizen and who is not. A strategy that would affect millions of children and entire communities across the United States. If the court upholds the executive order, it would be one of the biggest shifts in American citizenship law since, its Reconstruction. It would mean that citizenship, something that has always been clear and automatic and could be conditional, depending on who your parents are or what your status is at birth. And it would also open the door for a future president to change the rules again. Leaving millions of Americans born children in legal uncertainty. If the courts strike down the order, it will reaffirm a principle that has guided this country for generations. And that is, America does not create second-class children. That the accident of birthplace on U.S. soil is enough to make you an American. Either way, this may be one of the most consequential Supreme Court cases of our lifetime. A case about who we are as a country and who gets to belong. Thank you for watching. I am Jared Zisser, and this is Ring of Fire. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications to make sure you are informed about everything important in progressive politics today. And if you are looking for fact-based, independent reporting all day, every day, follow me here on Instagram or here on Facebook. See you in the next video.